Now, the US Central Bank has raised interest rates to the highest level in 16 years as it battles to stabilize prices. The Federal Reserve increased its key interest rate by 0.25 percent points. It's at the 10th hike in the 14 months. The move has pushed its benchmark rate between 5% and 5.25%, up from near zero in March 2022. Higher rates have sharply raised borrowing costs across the world's largest economy, spurring a slowdown in sectors such as housing and playing a role in the recent failures of 3 US banks.
Well, the US Central Bank has hiked rates by 25 basis points, which is 0.25%, now taking the rates in the US to 5 to 5.25%. That's the benchmark rate in the United States at the moment. But this was largely in line with what global markets as well as Indian markets were penciling in. So no surprises here. With regard to why the rate hikes have happened is inflation, and what the Federal Reserve said on inflation is that they have to wait and watch as to how those metrics with regard to key parameters of inflation, how are they playing out over the next few months as well as quarters, and then they will take a decision on whether this is sufficient or not. But at the moment, for the moment, they believe that this is the peak. They will not go and raise more going forward. So that's one key takeaway. The second piece that he spoke about is, of course, we need to wait and watch as to how the inflation trajectory will play out. But more importantly, when does inflation start coming down is what they're not fully aware about, and hence cutting rates is something that we are far away from, at least at the moment.